So, worsie braai time. For us, there's only one way of braaiing a worsie. Direct on the coals. So, Lion has a bed down somewhere here in the bushes for the day. Most probably going to be back a little bit later today. But yeah, now breakfast time. Anna had some lekker leurpak pap, ne Anna?
Lekker pap.
Leftover pap.
Yes.
And I think I must go ask a little bit of biryani from last night. Let me go see if I can get a little bit of biryani. Let's go check. So that's what it looks like. And this Johnny, there's only one way of eating this. You have to break that. And no knives, no forks, ne? You just take it like that. Ne? Malinki. Jo, hy lens. Imunati kou fella pa. Let's chow. So this is what it looks like if you've been called for a meeting, ne? And I asked to be sent the Nutella. But check how cold is this, Johnny. Ice cold. Kijk, yeah, now we see what the rich people is buying tonight as well. Yeah. Ja, this is the burgemeester from Springs himself.
Die mooiste man van Springs.
Die mooiste man van Springs. Ja. Oh, kyk hoe mooi lyk die twee. Beautiful. And this is Trans Africa Management with the blue shirt. En verraaier shirt. Ja. So. Kom maar Linkie, kry jy enetjie? Ja, verseker. Verseker.
Ja.
Ja, they want one.
Salami wil.
Yeah. So waiting for the lioness to come back. So just taking some liquid courage.
Ek het vir jou gesê ek het nog laas is, maar jy sê niks. Ek het nog so myn.
Right, arrivari woes.
Arrivari.
Slat hom.
Cheers. Malinkie focus.
Focus Malinkie. Slat hom.
Cheers.
Liquid courage for a long night. What a beautiful sight. This is the Mapaya waterhole. Lots of oryx, lots of doves, and then a massive herd of springboks. So we drove a little bit closer. Beautiful oryx. And there was 2 jackals here as well. Now these jackals, they are famous for catching doves here at the waterhole. Let's see if we can see them in action maybe. Right, so there's the jackal. Always trying to catch a dove.
There's one to the right as well.
Another jackal.
Yeah,
but this Johnny, he's the dove catcher. You're going to see him take a dove now. Very sly.
sien jy die een agterop?
So what he does is he pretends to be drinking water. And then when the doves come to have a sip, and there's another one in the back as well, he just snatches them from the air. Maybe if we're lucky, we're going to see that today. Pretending like he's not interested in the doves. So now with the jackal out of the way, now the doves can come have a sip at the waterhole. And it's sometimes in that confusion that he takes a dove. So today we took check this beautiful old camel thorn tree. We took a drive around the park. Luckily for us, Lesho Lohago is still open. Most probably people are going to check in a little bit later today. But we're going to stop here for a quick lekker picnic. And there's the raptor. The raptor. Yeah, this thing is a beast in its own right. Ah, but the wind is pumping. So everybody is pulling in. And this is on the edge of Lesho Lohago Pan, which is a very nice campsite. And in the past we've had some awesome sightings here of lions lying on the there in the A-frame. And we once even saw, I'll check this out, a lioness lying on the roof of this A-frame. So as we were approaching, it's me and this dirty lens always. So as we were approaching, I saw something on this A-frame, and I said to Malinke, there's a plastic bag or something the wind has blown on top of this A-frame. Little did we know, a lioness lying on top of this A-frame. So yeah, everybody is pulling in. It's only one vehicle still short. And then we're going to have a lekker picnic packed out on this table. Beautiful, beautiful Lesho Lohago. Right, waar is die snacks? Malinkie, pak uit. So this is what a picnic under a tree. Bosveld Butchery, aka Anna Makaplana, ne? Kyk net hierso. Kyk net the spread. Jonathan, please tell me up that daxel, please. Kyk hier. Roasted pork neck. Whole night on the spit last night. Nee, kyk hier, ne? If you see that girl's booking on a tour, ne? Anna, kyk vir my. You book. You don't ask questions. You book. Nou, kyk wat doen Anna. Kyk wat doen Anna. Kyk wat doen Anna. Sit 'n goue iets in, né? Kyk wat doen Anna. Kyk wat doen Anna. Kyk wat doen Anna. Kyk wat doen Anna. 'n Bosveld slag is Anna. Even the cry agrees with us. So yeah. Bon appetit. Bon appetit. Arrivare. So now we're leaving Lesho Lohago, baby Jane. Next stop is Monamodi Waterhole. Let's go see what waits us at Monamodi. So this is now This is day 3. Day 3. So we've got a very lekker rib.
Daai karamello, wat?
A rib on the spit.
Daai ambities in 'n bottel.
Hier sit hulle. Check daar in 2 glasies. That's how you spend the kids' inheritance, né? Well done. Well done. And then on my trusted, look at this potjie. It's getting houding now, né? So in here, some lekker paletje, salsa, pap. So yeah, this is touring 101. Cheers, Malinki. Arrivari.
Drink mineral water.
A mineral water. So this is what a Kimunati Kaufela rib looks like. You're gonna see it now if it turns on the other side. And check my pop stockie, Malinki.
Ja.
Check my pop stick. This thing is working. Check her, né? Check her. You can check me hier by die Johnny. Man. Kyk hierso. Putu pap, Kimunati Kaufela man. Met hierdie pop stick. Yo. Martha, tonight, we are eating good. Ik moet naar die kaufela meat, ik moet naar die kaufela pap, met die papstick. Ervaring. This is now the morning after. And, so now, this is the leftover pap. A little bit of milk, and now I'm gonna eat like a king with a little bit sugar over the pap. Sukiri. This is definitely some of the best eating you can have in your life. I promise you. If you have this in your belly, and those that know, this can easily last you a whole day. Pap with milk, a little bit sukiri. Papa. So yeah, I hope your breakfast this morning is as lekker as mine. Arrivari.